Here's a look at my Airbnb apartment in Athens, Greece. So there's the front door. Here's my kitchen, not too big, not too small. Let's have a look at that. Electric oven. One of these, I don't know, pod type coffee machines I'm not a big fan of. Everything here is everything you need, pots and pans, whatever, utensils. There's even a dishwasher, which I don't really use, but this I definitely use, the washing machine. And so always make sure when you get an Airbnb apartment, make sure they have one, because trying to find a laundromat and going and doing that is a kind of pain in the butt. It's kind of strange the way they hook this thing up out through the cabinet. A little weird. But anyway, it's a good size apartment. Little dining room table here. Some exercise machines if you want it. Pretty good sized couch. TV, stereo, and of course there's an air conditioning unit right up here, which you definitely need in Athens for sure. Let's take a look at the balcony. It's a small balcony, 2 stools, so you can sit out here to have breakfast if you want. You see that avenue over there, and it's just some backyards over here. So not that much to look at, but whatever. It's not a bad little balcony, and we got some plants over here too. So the bathroom, it's your standard Greek bathroom. Not new, not old. It's kind of in between. The sink is typical. One thing I don't like is these kind of, I don't know, these shower heads. At least this one has a place to put it. Most of them I see don't even have that. And the low ceiling on these Greek bathrooms is strange. I don't know why they have that. Maybe the piping for the people upstairs is in the wall or something like that. I'm not really sure, but anyway, it's a good sized bathroom. Another thing I don't like about a lot of apartments in Greece, especially older ones, is you cannot throw toilet paper in the toilet because it plugs it up and floods it or whatever. So you have to throw it in a garbage can and then throw that out, every few days or whatever, which is kind of, kind of nasty, I would say. So here is the bedroom. Decent sized bed. Pretty big bedroom. I like the high ceilings in this apartment. And also important is another air conditioning unit in the bedroom. You always got to look out for that, because sometimes they say they have an air conditioning unit, but it's only in one room. So it's only in the living room or only in the bedroom, not both. So always keep an eye on that when you're looking to book an Airbnb listing, especially in a hot place like Athens. So this apartment cost me about $34 a night, and that's in late August. So it's definitely high season, and this is a pretty good price, I would say, for an apartment like this in high season in August in Athens. And also it's like a 5-minute walk to the Kato Patissia metro station, so it's very convenient. And I know this area a little well anyway, because I have family that lives close by, so that's why I booked an apartment close to this train station here. So this is the apartment. You can expect to get an apartment like this size, this price, in areas outside of the city center of Athens, you know, radially outwards from the city center. So there's a lot of apartments out there. So you don't really have to spend a lot because they're really well priced for what you get out here. So I would say it's really a good deal to come out to Athens and stay in Athens, and it's not too expensive. So let's take a look at what the outside of the building looks like in a little bit of the neighborhood. It's good. Looks like, I don't know, this building looks like it's maybe from the 70s or something like that. It's my little alleyway. Usually there's a bunch of stray cats over here. So this is the avenue, and so this building sits right on top of a Greek supermarket right out front, so it's very convenient. Now, this is not a super nice area. I mean, just because of, you see the auto parts stores and that kind of thing, it's not like Starbucks on the corner or something like that. It's a regular neighborhood. It's not fancy. And right up that hill over there where you can't see anymore is the stoplight, and that is where the Kato Patissia metro station is. So it's like a 5-minute walk, if that, to get to the metro station. So like I said, this area is very convenient, and it's not expensive, so I think it's a good choice to stay in an area like Kato Patissia or similar distance further from the city center. There's a lot of neighborhoods like this. And so here is the supermarket, the Greek supermarket, and I'm not going to go here today. I'm going to go check out Lidl, the German supermarket, which is a few blocks away, and see how that is, to see if it's someplace that I'm going to want to come back to, or if I'll just stay with the local supermarket. So that's the tour of my Airbnb apartment and a little look at the neighborhood around here. I hope you liked it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment if you like the apartment, or if you know of another neighborhood that's better than this one you think. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. So thank you for watching.